we'll show you 5 secure ways to do your HDFC Forex card activation and the crucial points to remember so you can start spending worry-free. Way 1. NetBanking. The fastest method for HDFC Forex card activation online is through NetBanking. Log into your HDFC account, go to the Forex card section and select Activate. Verify your details and submit. Your HDFC Forex card self-activation is complete almost instantly. This is the most popular way for HDFC Forex card activation NetBanking. Way 2. HDFC ATM activation is mandatory and simple. Insert your new card into any HDFC Bank ATM, choose the Generate PIN option and follow the prompts. Once you set a new PIN, your card will be automatically activated for use. This is a common method for HDFC Forex card activation after receiving the physical card. Way 3. My Cards Portal. If you are not an HDFC NetBanking user, you can still achieve HDFC Forex card activation. Visit the official HDFC My Cards portal. Register your HDFC multi-currency card details and follow the instructions to set your PIN and complete the HDFC Forex card self-activation process. Way 4. Phone Banking. For immediate assistance, call HDFC Phone Banking. Provide your card number and necessary verification details. A representative will guide you through the HDFC Forex card activation process manually. This is best if you face any issues while trying to figure out how to activate HDFC Forex card. Way 5. HDFC Branch. Walk into your nearest HDFC branch. Carry your ID and the card. A bank official can perform the HDFC Forex card activation for you, ensuring your card is ready for international transactions. This provides a face-to-face resolution